this time we'd like to talk about the conversion kits that we have available from AltFuel. And our first kit that we have is AF1, and this is basically for an engine that is a flathead Briggs & Stratton engine. There is a fair number of those out there, and you'll find this to work well in those applications. But in most situations, if you have the new modern engines with the overhead cam, overhead valve engines, the AF2 kit works very well for that. Creates the amount of vacuum that we need to open this valve, and when the engine stops running, this valve will actually shut off the LP gas to your engine. And so this kit, actually we're applying this kit right now to engines as small as 1 horsepower and all the way up to 40 horsepower, and it works very well for that. And then, so with that being said, how do we get from our conversion kits into your engine? Well, we have devices that basically have been developed specifically for your engine application, and you will put these between the carburetor and the engine and usually remove a original equipment insulation block and replace it with our fueling block. And then to get from the conversion kits regulators into the block, we use this very high quality and very safe hose, and the fittings are tapered fittings, and they're usually we seal all of our fittings up so there's no leakage. And then to get from the conversion kits to the tanks, we actually use a hose that also applies to that, and then you can actually remotely place your tanks, or actually both of these kits have a system that you can screw on a 1-pound bottle that you can buy at your normal hardware store or grocery store, and you can burn that LP gas with the small containers. With that being said, we also have other accessories that you can apply, like this bracket here actually works for the push mowers and other applications that require a larger bottle than a 1-pound bottle. This will hang up to 20-pound cylinders, and works, and it has a lot of different bracketing and positions that you can put this in, and works very well for that application. So you can also get that from AltFuel, and we have many other accessories in our catalog, and that will work for your application. So take a look at our kits and see what works best for you, and when you make sure that when you call to get information about the kits, that you have the model number of your units and your type number of your units and your serial number of your engines, and that helps us to get to your product a little quicker and answer your questions a little quicker. Thank you.